Next lot. So starting from here, it's solid number. We're starting with a super solid Z1, solid number 1. Lot number 9391, starting bid at 8,000. I have bid at 8,000. Sorry. That's 8,000. That's 8,500. 8,500. 9,000. 10,000 at the back. Anyone for 11? 11,000. Anyone for 12? Any bids for 12,000? 12,000 internet. Any bids for 13? 13,000. That's 14. 15. Anyone for 16? 16. 16,000. Anyone for 17,000? 17,000 internet. Do I have any bids for 18,000? 18,000. Any bids for 19? Do I have any bids for 19,000? Any bids for 19,000? Selling at 18,000, 19,000 internet. Any 20,000? 20,000. That's 20,000. Any bids for 21,000? Any bids for 21? Do I have any bids for 21? Selling at 20,000, going once, going twice. Sold, 20,000. Bidder number 327.